All right, let's talk about how you can change the scale on an Excel chart or graph. So here we just have some random sales data thrown into this graph. And we can see that our scale is pretty off right now. It goes all the way up to $200,000. However, we don't have anything that's even above 80,000. So we don't need all of this extra space here. Now, typically in Excel, it will auto format the scale for you. However, for whatever reason you need to change the scale on your graph in any way, this is how you can do it. You need to select the numbers or whatever you have in this vertical axis. So I'll select that, and you'll notice that there's a little box around what I just selected. Right click, and then go down to Format Axis. This little sidebar will pop up, and here we will see our bounds and our units. So this is where we can see our minimum and our maximum. So we'll see that our minimum right now is $0 and our max goes all the way to 200. But in our case, we could even set this as 80,000. So we can go ahead and change this to 80,000 and hit enter, and we'll notice that the graph will resize and be a little bit better for us. Now we can even change the units by how far the scale goes up. Right now we have it incrementing by 10,000 each unit. If we were to change this to say 5,000, then we're going to get a lot more units of scale there, a lot more lines across our graph. Now if we wanted to change this to 15,000, then we will see fewer or less lines across the graph, as it will be incrementing by 15,000. But there you have it. That's how you can change the scale on a graph. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you head out. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.